Welcome to the Business Wisdom Podcast. I'm Clive Eniver. Today, we're looking at a topic that sits at the heart of effective leadership. It is simple in concept, yet often overlooked in practice. The question is this: how do you measure alignment in your business? Alignment is not a feeling. It is not guesswork. It can be measured. It should be measured. And when leaders measure alignment consistently, the business becomes clearer, calmer, and easier to run. Alignment influences everything: your projects, your decisions, your systems, your team's behaviour, and ultimately, your results. This episode will help you identify whether your business is aligned, how to recognise misalignment early, and how to use simple measures to bring everything back into focus.
Welcome to the Business Wisdom Podcast, where business strategist Clive Eniver shares his inner business wisdom with you. Each episode is packed with his experience to help you grow and develop your own business wisdom. Join Clive as he shares his wisdom with you.
Every business sets goals. Every business has a vision. But not every business operates in a way that consistently supports that vision. This is where alignment becomes important. Alignment is the connection between where you are going, what you prioritise, what you do each day. When alignment is strong, progress feels steady. The team works with confidence. Decisions are easier because they match a shared direction. When alignment is weak, the opposite is true. You feel friction. You feel decisions dragging. You feel projects expanding without purpose. That's why it's important to have structure, clarity, and accountability. Leaders cannot rely on intention alone. They need visibility. They need evidence. Measuring alignment allows you to see whether the business is pulling forward or pulling sideways. And what you can measure, you can improve. To measure alignment, you must first understand how it shows up in practice. Aligned businesses have three characteristics. 1. Consistent decision-making. When priorities are clear, decisions follow a predictable pattern. You do not debate the same issues multiple times. You do not hesitate. You act with intention. Consistency is a reliable indicator that direction is understood. 2. Projects that contribute to the vision. Aligned projects have a clear purpose. They support growth. They strengthen systems. They create capability. If a project does not contribute to the vision, it is not aligned, regardless of how busy it makes you feel. 3. Teams who understand what matters. When alignment is strong, team members know what good looks like. They understand expectations. They take ownership. They make decisions without waiting for instruction. Misalignment shows up when people work hard but achieve little progress. These markers provide the foundation for measurement. Reading the friction. Before we measure alignment, we need to recognise the symptoms of misalignment. Here are some of the most common signs. 1. Double handling and repeated questions. If tasks need revisiting or instructions need repeating, alignment is slipping. Clear expectations reduce rework. 2. Slow decision-making. Hesitation often indicates unclear priorities. When people are unsure what matters most, decisions naturally slow. 3. Projects that expand without reason. Scope creep is a classic example of misalignment. It usually means the purpose of the work was not clear. 4. Competing priorities. If everything is urgent, nothing is aligned. True priorities narrow the workload. 5. A sense that the business is busy but not progressing. Activity does not equal progress. Busyness without movement is one of the strongest indicators that alignment needs attention. These signs give leaders a diagnostic view. They tell you where to look next. Now let's move into the practical side. How do you measure alignment in a simple, consistent way? Here are the 4 most useful methods. The direction test. Ask yourself and your team 3 questions. Where are we going? Why does it matter? How will we get there? If answers vary widely, alignment is low. If answers match, alignment is strong. This test reveals whether your vision and priorities are understood. The project audit. Take your list of active projects. For each one, ask, what is the purpose? How does it support the vision? Is it still relevant? What would happen if we paused it today? Projects that cannot justify their purpose are misaligned. This is the same reasoning we use when planning succession or simplifying operations. Clear purpose equals clear value. The decision review. Look at the decisions made over the past month. Were they consistent? Were they fast? Were they aligned with the stated priorities? If decisions feel random, slow, or reactive, alignment is low. If decisions follow a common pattern, alignment is high. This is one of the simplest alignment measures because it reveals how clearly priorities are understood. The behaviour check. Alignment shows up in behaviour before results. Observe. Are people seeking clarity often? Are they confident in their work? Do they take ownership? Do they escalate appropriately? When behaviour matches the vision, alignment is strong. When behaviour is inconsistent, priorities need reinforcement. Leadership reflection. Ask yourself, does the business feel easier or harder this quarter? Am I making fewer decisions or more? Do I feel clarity or noise? Your experience as a leader is a reliable indicator of alignment. Measurement is only useful when it leads to action. If alignment feels weak, here are simple ways to strengthen it. Communicate the vision more often. Clarity fades unless reinforced. Teams need regular reminders of direction and priorities. Simplify the workload. Many alignment problems begin with too many active projects. Fewer projects lead to stronger focus. Review priorities weekly. A short weekly check prevents work from drifting. Document expectations. Unwritten expectations create confusion. Simple documentation strengthens accountability. Evaluate progress quarterly. Quarterly reflection allows you to reset and realign before misalignment becomes costly. These practices turn alignment from an idea into a daily habit. Alignment is not something you hope for. It is something you measure, maintain, and strengthen. It is the foundation of effective leadership because it creates clarity, consistency, and confidence. When alignment is strong, the business moves in one direction. Teams work with purpose. Decisions become faster, and progress becomes predictable. Clarity creates calm. Calm leadership builds progress. Thank you for joining me today. You will find further tools and reflections inside the Business Wisdom Vault to help you build alignment into your everyday leadership rhythm. I look forward to speaking with you in the next episode.
Thanks for joining Clive. Remember to subscribe for more business wisdom. Want to work with Clive? Book a discovery call with him at enervagroup.com.au.